This is Masjid Al-Qiblatain, the mosque of two Qiblas. It holds a unique place in Islamic history. In Rajab 2 Hijri, during a congregational prayer, a revelation changed the direction of the Qibla from Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem to the Kaaba in Makkah. Initially, Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him, prayed towards Bayt al-Maqdis in Jerusalem for 16 months after migrating to Medina. However, during a Dhuhr prayer, the command came from Allah through a revelation in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 144. Verily, we have seen the turning of your face towards the heaven. Surely we shall turn you to a Qibla that shall please you. So turn your face towards Al-Masjid Al-Haram. In obedience, Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him, turned towards the Kaaba, and his companions followed. From that moment, the Kaaba became the new direction for prayer for all Muslims. Masjid al-Qiblatain once had 2 mihrabs, marking the moment when Islam took on its own distinct identity.